Once upon a time, there was a girl called Anna. Anna wanted to visit her friend in another city. She decided to travel by train. It was her first time alone at a big train station. She felt excited, but also a little nervous. Anna packed a small bag with clothes, a book, and some snacks. She left her home early in the morning and walked to the train station. When Anna arrived, she saw the big train station. It was very busy. Many people were walking fast. Some people were pulling heavy suitcases. Some people were buying tickets. Some people were drinking coffee. Some people were standing and looking at the big board. Anna looked around and thought, "This place is very busy, but very interesting." Anna needed a ticket. She walked to the ticket desk. A man at the desk smiled and said, "Good morning. Where are you going?" Anna said, "Good morning. I want a ticket to Blue City, please." The man asked, "One way or return?" Anna thought for a moment and said, "Return, please." The man asked, "What time do you want to leave?" Anna looked at the board. It said, "Blue City, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. Anna said, "I want the 10:30 train." The man typed on his computer and smiled. "Okay, here is your ticket. Platform 3. The train leaves at 10:30. Have a nice trip." Anna gave him the money and said, "Thank you very much." "You're welcome," said the man. Anna looked at her ticket. It said Platform 3. She wanted to find it. She saw many signs, but she was not sure. She walked a little, then stopped. She saw a worker in a green jacket and asked, "Excuse me, where is Platform 3? The worker smiled and said, "Go straight, then down the stairs. Platform 3 is on the left." Anna said, "Thank you," and followed the directions. Anna arrived at Platform 3. She saw a big train waiting. People were getting on and getting off. Some people were carrying big bags. Some people were saying goodbye to friends. Anna sat on a bench and waited. She looked at her watch. It was 10:05. She still had 25 minutes. Anna felt a little hungry. She saw a small shop near the platform. She went inside. "Hello," Anna said. "Can I have a sandwich and a bottle of water, please?" The shopkeeper said, "Yes, here you are." Anna gave him some money and said, "Thank you." "You're welcome," said the shopkeeper. Anna walked back to the bench. She ate her sandwich and drank some water. She felt better. Then she took out her phone and sent a message to her friend in Blue City. I am at the train station now. My train leaves at 10:30. See you soon. After reading, Anna opened her book. She read a little. Then she looked at the people around her. A family with 2 children was waiting. The children were laughing and running. A man in a suit was talking on the phone. A young woman was pulling a red suitcase. Anna thought, train stations are interesting. So many people, so many stories. Suddenly, she heard a voice. Attention, please. The train to Blue City will leave in 20 minutes from platform 3. Anna checked her ticket again. Yes, it said platform 3. She felt calm. At 10:20, she heard another announcement. Attention, please. The train to Blue City is now boarding at platform 3. Anna stood up quickly. She took her bag and walked to the train. A conductor was standing by the door. He said, Ticket, please. Anna showed her ticket. The conductor looked at it and said, Okay. Car number 2, seat 15. Anna said, Thank you. She walked inside the train. She looked for car number 2. She walked down the aisle and found seat 15 by the window. She put her bag on the rack and sat down. Anna looked out the window. She saw people on the platform. Some people were still boarding. Some people were waving goodbye. The train station was busy and noisy. Next to Anna sat a young man. He smiled and said, Hello. Anna smiled back. Hello, she said. The man asked, Are you going to Blue City too? Anna said, Yes, I am. I will visit my friend. The man said, That's nice. I live in Blue City. It's a beautiful place. Anna said, I'm excited to see it. The man asked, Is this your first time by train? Anna said, Yes, my first time alone. The man smiled and said, Don't worry, train travel is easy. Just relax and enjoy. Anna said, Thank you. That's good advice. Soon the train doors closed. The conductor said, Please sit down. The train is leaving now. The train started to move slowly. It left the platform. Anna looked out the window. She saw houses, cars, and people. She saw trees and flowers. She felt happy. Anna thought, I can travel by train. I can buy a ticket. I can ask for directions. I can find my seat. I can talk to people. I feel good. The train went faster and faster. Anna smiled. Her journey to Blue City had begun. The end.